Saldico kasama at si Speaker Romualdez?
Saldico, no, I didn't talk to Saldi.
Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Sabi ni Pirma, lead convener Noel Oñate, nitong January 2 lang nang mag-meeting sila tungkol sa PI. Hindi raw nila nakakausap si Co at Romualdez. Pero biglang naglabas ng resibo si Senator Marcos. Letrato nakuha raw noong January 8 kung saan makikitang magkasama at magkakatabi pa sina Romualdez, Co at Oñate. Dito na kumambyo si Oñate.
You said you never met the Speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
It slipped my mind.
It's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative.
Napag-alaman ding sa bahay mismo ng House Speaker nangyari ang pulong.
So, ang